With such a short time to the PSLE, some parents still feel that their child is not ready for the final exams. Through the SA1 and prelims, you will be able to roughly gauge how your child will perform for the actual PSLE. But all hope is not lost. Hi, I'm Mr. Chi from Fun Learner School. Some of you may know me as the speed studying strategist. To help certain students achieve above expectations in the PSLE, we have a Speed Studying Secrets intensive workshop for the final lap in the preparation journey. In English, we'll be training in 3 key linchpin competencies which will make a real difference in how students perform. Transformation and synthesis, which is the highest level of assessment for grammar. Comprehension close, open-ended comprehension, which is the highest level assessment for, as the name suggests, comprehension. For Mother Tongue Chinese, we'll be teaching the students very effective techniques on how to tackle the last moral of the story question, the closed passage, how they deal with mental block, as well as strategies for language expression in the top 3 composition themes. For math, we'll be training in the various linchpin competencies of unit table approach, advanced modeling method. You'll be amazed how our students never do guess and check. You'll be using an advanced type of stack model which can be learned very quickly, as well as hybrid methods which combines unit table with modeling to solve the toughest questions. As for science linchpin competencies, students will be learning how to use process working to plan and give the best possible answer in the limited time for open-ended questions. Answering skills to answer complex open-ended questions, how to phrase the answers, as well as how to tackle non-routine questions. The intensive workshop will be held during the September holidays on 4th of September, Tuesday, 1 to 7 p.m. On 6th of September, Thursday, from 1 to 7 p.m. as well. On 8th of September, which is the Saturday, there will be a Q&A session from 3 to 7 p.m. This is for students to come and ask questions based on additional work they take home to practice on. If there is any way we can help you, it will be our pleasure. Thank you. I hope to see you.